Introduction. You can get what you really want in your life if you know how to go about it in the right way. This training will show you exactly how to do that. Most people have no idea what they really want in their life, and as a result, they let life control them and end up being bitterly disappointed. The first thing that you need to accept is that getting what you want is going to take time and effort. The reason that most people don't know what they really want is that they cannot be bothered to think about it deeply. They would sooner waste their time on social media or watching nonsense on TV. The first step to get what you really want is to decide what you really want. To do this, you will need to spend some quality time away from any distractions and ask yourself several searching questions. There are many examples of these questions in the first video of this training. Then, you need to set your goals properly and create a plan for achieving your goals. When you create plans, they will never be perfect, so accept that you will need to review them regularly and make the necessary adjustments to them. The most critical aspect of getting what you really want is controlling your thoughts. If you don't deal with the negative thoughts that we all experience properly, then you will never manifest your desires. You also need to develop a mental toughness to deal with setbacks and keep you on the right track. Everything that you need to know about getting what you really want is in this powerful training. So, listen to every word and apply what you learn. The steps outlined in the training require practice, patience, and persistence.